That's one time me get big, we gonna buy my 4-door fridge.
I buy 4 to 8 fridge in my house and $1.
Eh, you think I joke?
I want Benz, me I go buy my 4-door fridge.
Can't
Can't
bother with this chat about
What go on charge? One weapon.
I went to the pan.
Thing good.
Eh,
Yo, I want to try show and say, yo, dog, you have a bag of story to tell you, dog.
Can I just skip to the last one?
Finish last one, dog. Yo, every year, every bitter is a story, dog. Me I tell you, man.
No, dog, that too long. I'm too worried.
No, man. No, boy, no, man. My, which part if I go yes, the story boring, brother?
Right, yes.
right, that's
This is the story. You know, say, hey, yo, you know, sometimes my grandfather, it's true, them man did back in the days, and them man did not to really know all the foreign thing going on. Say, man plan, say, you tell him go foreign. Say, he might go run off. So, you know, say, things work out and the man get a farmer ticket. So, you get a farmer ticket, yo, then tell you, say, you might go board the plane. A man to go beer. So when the man got man to go beer, then the plane lift up and go and town and say, yo, come on finish, load off. So the man come out of the plane, no dog, and then the man say, I'm going to run off. So the man come out of the plane and start running up, start run like him, you know. And like he go downtown and buck up and man come from the same place where I come from, you know. Then the man say to him and say, yo, how you do over here, so man, how you do here, so man? And the man say, well, man, say, yo, no foreign man, so man say, yo, anyway, so I go back home. Tell my wife are there and I said, run off. And the man stays up, boom, and shut and run gone again, the dog. Story done, dog. Dog, watch one next time in my life again, dog. You know, say one time I'm playing Rasta man, you know.
Rasta?
Yeah, man, Rasta and one bastard if I'm playing, you see me?
Rasta.
Yeah, man, so they must see the sky high, you know, so you know, say like, he goes to bounce and he play and run out of fluid. So you run out of fluid, you know, say, I drop it, or drop it. So you know, say, one parachute they have for the plane.
So we are, so with us here.
Watch out, man, I don't see you, man, listen to the story, brother. You know, say, if pastor man goes so boom and jump, you know, they jump like parachute, you know. And I go on, so if you like, I get lower and lower right, you know, so. So Rasta man said to him, pastor, say, pastor, they like how you're a God man. Like how you're a God man, just give me the parachute and make God see it, you know. So the pastor said, yes man, yes, I chew, you know. I got some bounce and pull out the parachute, you know. And give Rasta man, you know, so Rasta man said, alright, pastor, just wait for see. Why miracle God are going to work, you know. So go on and go to check it out and know. You know, have like a couple seconds left for the plane, jump, you know. Say, the Rasta man goes so boom and jump out of the plane, you know. Jump out of the plane and go down and pull out the parachute and go down, you know. Say, pastor man just jump out, dog. And go so zip and fly past Rasta man, yeah, Rasta man. Oh, then pastor making him tell me, say, I race you on. And pull out the parachute, you know. Yo, man, I tell you, say, dog. Rasta run down and dead, you know. Yeah, man.
What do you want? So sorry, man, the next one.
I mean, man, I hope I still get for cold.
Okay, the one next one then, man.
Yeah, this one I like to again, man. One next man again, because of Bobson. So, true, yo, you not go nowhere, you know. So, true, you not go nowhere, and it's like you go something, and go to Kingston, you know.
Sorry, God, man, come in.
So, when you go to Kingston for the first time in your life, you know. See, then go some boom and I go downtown. You know, so downtown kind of pretty out here, you know. I go downtown and go see they must sell some ripe banana, you know. So you know, say man go down and ask them, say yo, and say yo, what's your finger for the ripe banana, miss? And they say $5. Yeah, man. Oh my God. It's the same price in Jamaica.
Yo.
So dog, him and then never know say him a town in there anything. I'm foreign in the country, you go see the upstairs building them, you know. So that's why the man must say him. I see a price in Jamaica. I must speak to you know. Like you think so really that foreign in there, you know. Watch out, one one time again, man, with one king, you know. One king had one pretty little princess, you know, that every man in the district would really want a little princess, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So king just get up one day and say, put on one contest, you know.
Yes, sir.
So you know, say man have a billion, so man say, yo, any man jump off is a tall billionaire. And jump on there and go up your
What?
king.
Would I do that?
Yeah, man, I
We
can
can't
get the
do that.
princess, you know.
Of
So,
course.
Man, we can't do
That
that.
no more
So
than
hold on,
bucket.
hold on, man. Man say, no, say, you go to a black man, you know, and Chinese man, you know, and white man, you know.
Eh?
So you know, say, boom, so after him, and white man goes so boom. But you see, black man want Rasta still, you know.
Black man.
So white man goes so boom and go dog and jump off, you know, and jump and broke up, you know, boom. You know?
Yeah.
And Chinese man him go now and jump off, you know, and broke up, you know. You know, say at the Rasta man time, you know, dog. So the Rasta man will go. Cause I like day after day they do it, you know.
See, lock safe him, though.
You know, like dog, man say two mad man. But you see two mad man when he gets a sheet, you know.
Yeah,
When he
man.
gets the sheet, he give two mad man, man tell you, say, yo, just hold, but he show them now, say, hold your sucker, I wanna go up this one, come down, you know. So then go, you know, then hold out the sheet, so he go jump down. So he jump on the sheet, he go jump on the sheet, so might be another broke up, you know. So as him gone, the two mad man, they start ramp, dog. When they start ramp now, they ramp, so they ramp and tear the sheet. So the rest of the seal that come down, you know that mad man. Jet, turn back, the sheet tear. You Rasta man, jump low, house, the last year you drop a dead, you know. You think that's nice? So watch out again now. You don't say, me back in the days, you know, one time now, white man, you know, black man, and Chinese man, you know.
Yes.
They come in.
I wanna say good man.
Relax and listen, man.
I make man.
Relax and listen to the story, man. So they create some crime. Means they kill people. But in the other time, we don't kill them, we don't kill people. They let you kill them. You know, one current chair and shock it to death and kill you. You know, egg people.
So then kill her for.
Let me not tell you, brother, you murder. So you understand, you know? Alright. So you know, say him, you know, say bumps in the car. They feel well too, you know, okay. So you go so boom now, they say, I tell the idea for them, I'll kill them. They go so boom and carry Chinese man grow and put him in a chair, you know, and turn on the chair, you know. But first, they ask him, say, do you have anything to say before you're dead, sir? And Chinese man say, no. They put him in a chair, turn on the chair, nothing and go on, you know. And then buck the chair, you know. And man sit down, so nothing and go on, you know, say, for that they go on. They now but that look at them a thing different. So they take him out and carry white man now. So same thing going, they have anything to say for your dead son. White man say no. They put him in a height, you know. And turn on the chair. Nothing. Bucky. And look, it's for black man time now, no dog. So they put him in a height, you know. And say, sir, do you have anything to say for your dead son? Yeah, black man. You don't see blood clean chair no plug in. Plug in it. And kill that. Yo!
No man.
Yeah, man, but black man him know. Black man him know what him say and talk to her, you know, friend just hold it. Cause I hate him, she never tell them, say the children could be for the next man in the night. So I'm alone then. But watch out now, watch out now. One time again, you catch children go, yes, and when you carry people go to Bellevue, and you get a thing a Milo, and one bread and one t-shirt. So there's one madman in that place, so then go say, boom, man can't go to Bellevue, you know. We don't go to Bellevue still, you know, they test you when you come out of the yard. Give medication and we go out, they test you. So it goes to Bamson and enter you come out, you know. And then get 3 tests when you come out, you know. Say man come out and they catch at the first gate, they ask him, say, what your name? And he tell them his name, you know. He say his name Ben, you see me? Alright, so he pass at the test there, you know. So he goes to come and go up at the next gate again and they say him, where you live? So like he tell him, say, you know, say me live a Main Pen, you know. So he pass at the test there. So he hand test now, you know, so he catch up, you know. The last one they asked him, they go so boom and say, Sherman and say, how much finger this? And he say 5, you know. So they say, how much this? And he say 5. They say, how much this? And he say 10, you know. Say, man, go so put your hand back high. I was like, how much this year? So yeah man, you think me I eat that? After you put your hand back here and shuffle it up, you walk come out phone. See it? A story me again, I was listen story. You know, see again one girl goes a boom and go town. So when she go town now, she a go and she a go in a place named Alga Park, right? But you know, she grew up in her home and she has straight English. She has speak, you know. She don't talk, you know, patois. So you go a town, you know, really know which part of the places. So you see one man and ask the man, oh sir, could you please get show which way you could find Pickley Park Road? Yeah. Everybody has to know which part of Pickley Park Road because no one names of that. But you just say Hagley Park Road. Go so again and one time again same place in town now I have the town and I go down King Street. So I go down King Street and I was like, my brother run past and grab me back, you know. And I run and go down King Street and so you can ball out and say, thief, yeah him. Steal! Steal! So nobody have to help him because like when it's a name back like a spot where everyone steal and go on. First say thief, no. Yeah man, just store that man. When you steal, no. I can only fright and no. One next time, man. One next time, man.
Oh, we have to go out with it. Yo. We have to remember a story.
Once upon a time, man, there's a man will tell a story and I have to tell it to a certain mention at time and then cut. You see me? Next time.